Hi everyone, Shashank the site from risejet.com, and we are starting out with another interesting video today. In this video, we'll be discussing about how we can create a new business manager account. So if you are already running Facebook advertising, but you're using a personal ad manager, or you don't know anything about Facebook ads and you want to get started and you want to start running ads, then you should start with business manager rather than going with personal manager. And there are several reasons, there are multiple reasons you should focus on before even starting out with this. So we are starting out to create business manager account first in this scenario. And why it is important, how it is important, there are n number of reasons. You can read this page by going to business.facebook.com, and you will be able to see this page pretty easily, and you will be able to know everything about why the page is, or the business manager account is important and not the personal manager account. What are the different benefits of using the business manager as well? The only drawback is you can only use your credit card in order to make payments, and some people don't have credit cards, so obviously they feel a bit irritated, and that is why I start with personal ad managers. But I will always recommend you to start with business manager only rather than going for any other topics. So let's get started. Let's click on this create account button. Once you click on this, you will be asked to log in, obviously. So let me log in first of all quickly. So once you're logged in with your regular Facebook account, so all you have to do is click on this create account button, and you will be asked to set up any account name as well as your name and the business email address. You need to have a business email address, obviously, for this business manager account. So it's pretty easy to create any business address. You have to have a domain name, that could be anything, xyz.com or whatever you would like to choose, and you have to create a business email id. So your hosting provider usually have the email option where you can create your email ids, as well as if you only have a domain from maybe GoDaddy, so you can also use their free email services as well, right? So it will ask you to create and the account will be created. I'm already reaching the limit of my business managers, that's why I cannot create a new account here. I already have a business manager account. So when you create an account, you usually see, so you will be able to see this kind of ad account when you will open business.facebook.com after registering with them, and you will be able to select any of the businesses that you have. So these are the different business accounts which I have created. One, two, three I have. So total three I can create. Obviously, I have this create option, but I'm already reaching the limit. So I cannot do this right now. And you can see that I have different business setup here. So after you create an account, obviously all you have to do is do some basic setups which are important. Click on the business settings here first of all. Below you can see the gear icon, right? Here you can click on that. Now you have all the settings in the left panel for you. You can obviously choose it, and you can make different kind of settings directly from here. Number one is obviously create an ad account. So the hierarchy works like, you have your business account, inside that you have your ad account, inside your ad account you have multiple pages. So any accounts could have different kind of pages access, which you can obviously assign to these accounts, and then you can run ads to these pages using your ad accounts. So different ad accounts you can create for maybe different clients if you have, or maybe if you have multiple kind of businesses you would like to run ads to multiple clients, you can create your different ad accounts in such a way, right? As well as you obviously can assign people to each different business ad accounts, and then from the ad accounts they have the access to maintain your account and run ads as well if you allow them to run. So all these things can be done here pretty easily. Instagram accounts, commerce accounts, WhatsApp accounts, you have all these settings here. So what we have to do is, apart from that, go below and go to payment settings. This is very important. You have to do this. Click add payment method, and you will be asked to click and create a payment method. So if you look for any other business which I have already here, you can definitely see payment options, right? Obviously you cannot see my credit card number, but you have the last four digits and when it expires. So the basic information is updated here, and I already have a Visa credit card, so I'm using right now. I can obviously remove this payment method and can add a new method anytime I wish to. So you get the idea how you can do that. You can obviously go to business info as well, which is very important, and you need to fill out this information as fast as soon as you can, because this is important. If you don't fill out most probably if you lose your account by banning of Facebook, it will be very hard for you to reinstate, because Facebook focuses on the pages which, or the business managers who has all the information updated, right? So make sure you do that, and it will be good for you always. So all the information is already mentioned here. I already updated. All you have to do is click on this edit button and click on edit and get started. Here you can also change or edit any of the information which I can see here, and you can obviously make changes accordingly as per your own interest and the information that you have. So hope you understood already that how you can create a business manager account. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment below. I'll be able to help you accordingly. If you have more topics in mind which you want to learn from me, please also comment down below. And also, Facebook has an algorithm wherein they want to see if you are commenting and you are liking, or you are learning something from these videos. So please make sure you comment something definitely, so that according to Facebook algorithm, at least let's kill it, right? And one more important update, that I already pretty much reached almost 900 subscribers, and we are going to touch 1000 subscribers. So just see if you can do something about it, right? You know what you have to do. So see if we can touch 1000, right? And I'll see you there in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.